Let's now consider a larger number, which is in the millions. We can find the value of each digit in the number based on the digit's place. So if we'd like to know the value of the digit 4, which is in the ones place, okay, since we know the place value of the ones place, which is 1, and there are 4 instances of the ones place, then we know that the value of this digit is 4. For the digit 9, we know that the digit 9 is in the tens place. So this is in the ones place, this is in the tens place. And we know that the place value of the tens place is 10. And since we know that there are 9 instances of the place value 10, so we know that the value of the digit 9 is 90. Okay, looking at the digit 8, so since we know that the digit 8 is in the hundreds place, and we know that the place value of the hundreds place is 100, and we also know that there are 8 instances of the hundreds place, so we know that the value of the digit 8 in this number is 800. What about the digit 2? The digit 2 is in the thousands place, which has a place value of 1000. Since there are 2 instances of the place value 1000, so we know that the value of the digit 2 is 2000. For digit 7, we know that this is in the 10,000s place, which has a place value of 10,000. And since we know that there are 7 instances of the place value 10,000, we know that the value of the digit 7 is 70,000. For the digit 6 is in the 100,000s place. And since we know the place value of the 100,000s place is 100,000 and that there are 6 instances of this place value, then we know that the value of the digit 6 in this number is 600,000. And lastly, we can do the same for the digit 1, which is in the millions place. And this digit has a place value of 1 million. And since there's just one instance of this place value, then we could say that it has a value of 1 million. Notice also that we put a comma symbol after 3 digits, beginning from the units or ones place. This to organize the number so it's easier to read. In some countries in Europe, they put periods in place of commas. So in some countries, they would write this number this way. But in many other countries, we would organize our digits in our numbers this way by writing commas for every 3 digits starting from the ones place.